Okay, this is our next lesson here, and what we're dealing with is this is unit 4, lesson number 2, and it's using arrays. And basically, an array is a term used in multiplication when you take pictures and represent the numbers that you're dealing with. So right here, this is what an array is. It's a group of images that are organized into rows. Okay, so here I have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and each row there are 2 tomatoes in each row. So what I could say is, up top here I have the number 2. Along the side I have 4. And how it's used in multiplication is you should think of 4 times 2. So I have 4 times 2 equals 8. Or another way you can look at it is, another way you can think of it is 2 times 4 equals 8. And again, same idea. So 2 times 4 equals 8, or 4 times 2. It's the same idea. Okay, so they're interchangeable. But basically, what an array is when you take the numbers and you align them into rows and columns with how they are. I could have went 4 going across here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, and still get my same answer. Let's look at this array here. I have these butterflies here. So all I'm doing is I'm just going to add the numbers in this column here, and I have 1, 2, 3 butterflies. And now let's add the numbers of butterflies going across the top, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So my multiplication statement is 3 times 4, or I could say 4 times 3. And the way we could figure it out using these images is I can simply add these all up. And I have the answer, which is 12. So I can say 3 times 4 equals 12. Or I can say 4 times 3 equals 12. It's the same idea, however way you look at it, but this is what an array is. Okay? Let's take a look at this question here. Okay, in the store there are 3 rows of candy, and there are 4 candies in each row. How many candies are there altogether? Okay, so what we're going to do is make an array to figure this out. So I have my candy here. So in this store there's 3 rows, so I'm going to make 3 rows here. So 1, 2, 3. And then in each row there's 4 of them. 1. So here's 2 now. Now there's 3. There's my 4. And I'm going to do the same thing. So it's almost like you're filling in a chart here. You're filling in a big table here. So it has to be the same because each row has 4 candies. My last one. And now I'll just do my math this way. Going along the side here I have 4. Going along the top I have 3. Same as the butterflies there. The statement is 4 times 3 equals, I count them all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the same idea, 3 times 4 equals 12. So basically, an array is a group of pictures that are organized in rows and columns. You kind of fill them in, and it's a way to multiply. So this will be tomorrow's lesson, tonight's work. So take some time tonight to review this, and have a great evening.